Heat Glo gas fireplace common issues. Gas fireplaces are efficient and convenient, but they can have problems. Understanding common issues helps in troubleshooting and fixing your Heat Glo gas fireplace. Let's explore some frequent problems and their solutions. The pilot light is crucial for your gas fireplace to start. If the pilot light is off, the fireplace won't ignite. Here are some common pilot light issues. Dirty pilot light. Dirt can block the gas flow. Clean the pilot light to fix this. Thermocouple issues. A faulty thermocouple can stop the pilot light from staying lit. Replace it if needed. Gas supply. Ensure the gas valve is open and there are no leaks. If the burner doesn't ignite, your fireplace won't produce heat. Here are some common burner ignition problems. Clogged burners. Dust or debris can clog the burners. Clean them regularly. Igniter problems. Check if the igniter is sparking. Replace it if it's faulty. Gas pressure. Low gas pressure can prevent ignition. Ensure the gas pressure is adequate. For quick reference, here's a table summarizing common issues and their solutions. Issue, possible cause, solution, pilot light. Pilot light off. Dirty pilot light or faulty thermocouple. Clean pilot light. Replace thermocouple, burner not igniting. Clogged burners or faulty igniter. Clean burners. Replace igniter. Low flame. Low gas pressure. Check and adjust gas pressure.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.